Hello viewers, I welcome you once again to Mahashala TV. It's been a while serving you on this channel, and today I'm back to you with a super duper video. As I introduced you to Mahashala TV, I taught you how to make money online, took you through step by step on how to activate the account, and now that websites have created an application. So I want to take you through how you can register with the application. Here is their application. As you can see, see this room. So I've opened my application. This is how it look like. Please, if you download any application, just uninstall it and tell me. Besides, I'll leave the link to the application in my video. It's better you use the link other than going to download anything else. So this is the interface. Top here, you will see register here, and this, as a passport human being, it means login. So when I hit here, you see my login. It say login using requirements. So but when it take you here, you do register, it will come in like this, referred by none. This is what I'm quarreling with the app developers. They are supposed to leave a space that you type in who referred you. But this time around, they've ignored that. So refer by none. Meanwhile, too, I'm supposed to refer you so that I'll get my referral bonus. So as I did in the previous video, you proceed with your details as you watched in the previous video. Then you are done. But because I'm having an account already, I'll proceed to here. Then I log in. Let me log in with my username as Mahashala and my password. My password as it always remains. I'll tell this room to always remember me, my details. And here I am. Welcome to this room, Mahashala Michael. In fact, I've been earning a lot from this room. As you can see, my archive earnings, only earning from affiliates, I'm having 280 Ghana cedis. If you check through my profile, you will see this. When you come to edit profile, I don't have anything to edit. But do you know, recently someone edit here so that when I withdraw money, they will pay it into his account. Well, because I'm intrudient into technology, I've been able to detect that. So always check before you withdraw money. That is it, my account number that's here. Okay. So my recent payment, I was paid 5 months ago. That was October last year. I got 50 cedis and I withdraw it. Currently, I'm not having any pending withdrawal. This is my link. I copied my link. Then I come to any of my browser. Then I just paste it on my status. You see, because the link is active, you see this. Thank you for watching this video. Please, if today happens to be the first time you are on this channel, please try to hit the subscribe button down there, that red button on the down right side of your phone or your laptop or your PC. Please try to subscribe and share to your friends. Mind you, share the video link to them, but give them your referral link to register the CDs room. It's better you register it from Chrome so that the person using your link will get a referral bonus, because in the application they didn't indicate any place that you will enter your referral name. So I'll talk to them so that they will include that. So stay tuned. Subscribe to Mahashala TV so that when I drop any video, you will be notified. Thank you for watching this movie. Bye bye.